welcome you back to the farm. We're gonna do a little taste test today on three new varieties to us. I mean, they're not new varieties, but new varieties to us of tomatoes. So I've got three different kinds I'm gonna try. The first one is a Homestead, and it's a good medium-sized tomato. The next one is a yellow Roma or a golden Roma. And then the last one, and this one's kind of small. The ones I've got, this was the first one ripe, so I got it. It's called an early doll. It's like a 42, 45 days, somewhere in that range tomato. I got some more that are probably a little bigger than this, but this one was ready to go, and we're gonna try it today. So I'm gonna cut all these, and I'm gonna rate them on a scale of 1 to 10. And I am gonna put salt and pepper on because I can't eat tomatoes without salt and pepper. So I'm gonna get these cut up, and I'll tell you which one. I'm gonna cut the early doll first, and I'll cut the Homestead, which is this one. And this is a good sized tomato. I've got some that'll be ready next week. I'm really excited about, or the next time we do it. And I ain't gonna tell you what they are. But anyway, all right, I'm gonna cut this one first. I'm gonna cut them all, salt and pepper them, then we'll taste them. All right, first one's the early doll, and boy, it'd be nice if I got a nice sharp knife. It looks pretty nice. I was afraid it might be a little kind of like a Florida tomato, kind of a little gritty or whatever, but we'll find out. Okay, now this one is a golden Roma or plum. And this one's kind of an accidental growth, so. And then this one is the Homestead, and this is, I think this was developed in the 50s, so it's kind of a heirloom. Yeah, it looks good. So I got my Homestead, early doll, and the Roma. And I'm gonna salt and pepper all these. First one is the early doll. It's got good texture to it. That's really good. Got some pretty good acid to it. Mild acid. So that's good. So I'm gonna rate this a 7. Maybe a 7.1. That's good. I'll grow that again. All right, the next one is the Golden Roma. And like I said, this was an accident. I got my little dog over there, the garbage man showing up. So this is a Golden Roma, and we grow this one by accident. Just one plant, so let's taste it. It's actually better than I thought. It's a very low acid. You couldn't use these as a can, but that would be good on a sandwich or something, or with some eggs. I'll say a 6 because it's kind of bland. And then the Homestead. And we had one the other day that come out of her kitchen garden that was almost a 10. And she don't remember where she got it out, where she picked it from. So I'm not sure which one it is. So if I get another one, we'll do a taste test on it. And this is the Homestead. Got good meat to it, good texture. It's a good tomato. I was kind of expecting more acid out of it. This is kind of a medium acid. It's okay. I'm gonna give it a 6.5. So I guess my favorite ones out of this bunch is early doll. Yeah. Kind of disappointed in that homestead. I figured it would have more of a heirloom taste to it, but kind of bland. All right, there you go. So hope you enjoyed this. Like I said, I've got a new variety that is called Hensley Settlement, and I picked one today. It'll be ready in a couple of days. It's this big and it's yellow, so I can't wait to do that. Got some red deuces that we're going to taste test, and we might throw in a Cherokee Purple just as a baseline. People around here goes crazy over it. I'm not that big on it. I mean, it's okay. If I can figure out which one that was that we ate the other day, we'll do taste test it. So anyway, so there you go. Roma, homestead, early doll. I'll definitely be growing some more early doll. I don't know about the homestead. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a thumbs up. Support your local farmer. We'll see you down at the farm next video.